So friends, today we will just discuss about cells. So cells, how they work as team. So today I will just deeply and easily I will just explain you about cells and how they work as teams. So very great and faster techniques I will use in this video, and something better you are enhance it when you are seeing that on YouTube. So moving to the topic, let's discuss with the cell and how they work as team. So let's begin with the video. So friends, I hope that you are introduced with cells. So cells they are of different kinds, and they are of different shapes, and they are in different numbers. So but yet they are not simple, they are very complex one. So on the structural level, we know that it's like a building block, and on the functional level they are basic unit of life, and they are responsible to carry out many functions like digestion, excretion, respiration, and many other functions that are responsible to be run. So now the question arises is, do all cells cooperate with each other? So firstly, I will just introduce a little about cells. So mostly cells are divided into three main parts, that is cell membrane, cytoplasm, and a nucleus. So the first thing is cell membrane. Cell membrane is a thin and delicate membrane that surrounds cytoplasm and nucleus within it. So now cell membrane keeps or separates the two cells. So it also separates the surrounding medium also. So it is, we can also call it a porous membrane for it. So plants have other membrane or other thick wall present with the cellulose outside of the cells and outside of the cell membrane, that is known as cell wall, to keep them safe from climatic conditions. So now we have cytoplasm. So what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a jelly-like structure which encloses nucleus and which is enclosed with cell membrane. Imagine that it is between the nucleus and cell membrane. So now nucleus is middle, so you have understood this concept. So now cytoplasm gives the volume, the spherical shape to the cell. Not only spherical shape, there are many kinds of cells and in their shapes. But now I'm just taking an example of red blood cells who are spherical in their shape. So now it gives just volume to them. It just is a jelly in that. So this jelly consists of cell organelles in them. So this gives a medium to them. So now some of the cell organelles are mitochondria. So we have made a video on that. I will just give you the I button. So mitochondria, Golgi bodies, plastids, endoplasmic reticulum, and many other things. So we also have vacuoles. So the middle thing, that is nucleus. So all the work from cell is controlled in the nucleus, as it is also known as the brain of the cell. So as your all body works are controlled to be your brain. So as your brain is controlling your body, the nucleus is controlling all the works of cells. So now cell or that nucleus is a dense brown body present inside or middle of the plant animal cell and near the periphery of plant cells. So now this we will study just nucleus about next video, and I will just give it in the end screens and in the I button also. So now we were just talking about how they work as team. So we are working in a company. The company runs because we cooperate with each other. If we cooperate with each other, the all functions or all works go continuously, spontaneously. All the works will be completed and our company will be promoted. So now, as a cell, organelles work to, so the same work is assigned to the some cell organelle work at same place, and the cells who work the same are also placed in one, that is blood. You know, many cells, red blood cells, white blood cells are placed in one thing or one place, and that is known to be a tissue, and that tissue is blood. So now many tissues who work the same are placed into one. Example, heart. So many tissues are working of same, so when they work the same, they are combined at one place, so they are make up a organ. So now many tissues make up a stomach, many tissues make up a brain. So now many organs are making up a organ system. So now psychological work is going on. Yeah, so a psychological work is of digestion. So digestion, we have stomach, esophagus, and kidneys, pancreas, and other glands, organs, and many other. So this is work done by these organs, and these organs work on same aim. So these are cooperating with each other. So when these cooperate with each other, the work goes on continuously. So the cells work cooperatively, or cells work togetherly. So when they work continuously, or they work or they cooperate, this is what the cells want, or human or any organism want to be survive. So when an organism survives, their cells are being cooperating with each other. So this is simple thing. So to see more videos, we are go to learn with Amog Vash Nesri. So let's end this video. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.